Buenos días, estudiantes. Me llamo Señora L y hoy vamos a practicar con el vocabulario de la familia. And today we're going to look at the vocabulary of the family with la Luz de Estrella. You can also call her Starshine or Starlight. She's a little tired. So, when we talk about families, families can look all different shapes and sizes. Some big families, some little families. Now, some families, like I say, totally different. And some families can include our pets. For example, our Cabras or Goats. Or they can include our Perros or our dogs. Or our Gatos, our cats. Or other animals, which we will include, and we'll talk about lots of other animals in a future video. But for now, when we talk about families, lots of people like to do their family trees. And today we're going to do it a little bit differently. Today, we're going to do the family tree of Estrella, Starshine. So as we go through the vocabulary, we're looking at Starshine's vocabulary. So for example, the first vocabulary we typically talk about when we talk about our family is our
Hermana.
Hermana. Our Hermana. So Starshine, or la Luz de Estrella, has una hermana, and her name is Celine. So she has a sister. But now what if she had a brother?
Hermano.
Hermano. So that would be her brother. So hermano, brother, hermana, sister. Now let's say she has siblings in general, you would just call them hermanos. Now if that seems a little weird, we'll get into the in a later video. But next up, what's the next family member we would talk about?
Mama or madre.
So la mamá or la madre de Estrella is named Dasher. That's her mom. So mama is about how we'd say mom, and madre is more formal. Madre is like her mother. But what about her?
Papa or padre.
So her dad or her father. Papa or padre. So just like with hermanos, if we're going to say parents, parents would be padres. Okay? Alright, so those are her parents and her siblings. But what else is included in our immediate family?
Abuela.
Abuela, her grandmother. So of course, our grandmothers are la mamá de nuestro madre o padre. So that's the mother of our mother or our father. Abuela. Next up,
Abuelo.
abuelo. Abuelo is our grandfather. So that's el papá de nuestro mamá o papá. So our grandfather. Next,
Tío.
tío. Your tío is your uncle. So that's el hermano de su mamá or papá. So the brother of your mother or your father. Next.
Tía.
Your tía is your aunt. Yet again, so that's la hermana, the sister of your mama o papa, of your mother or father. But now let's say your tío or your tía or your tíos, your uncles and aunts, let's say that they have children. Well, those are going to be considered your
Primo or prima.
primo o prima, your cousins. So in English, of course, we just say cousin, but primo is for a male cousin, prima for a female cousin. But if you have multiple cousins, those would be your primos.
Hija.
Hija. So when Estrella is all grown up, well, maybe one day she'll start her own family. And maybe she'll have una hija, a daughter. Or she might have
Hijo.
Muy bien. Un hijo. She might have a son. So, you're so pretty. So those are our immediate family members. And of course, if she were to have more than one, and let's say a boy and a girl, those would be her hijos, her children. Now we'll get into this more and to the extended family in a future video, but for right now, this is the vocabulary of the immediate family. If you'd like to check out any other information, please check out our other videos. Until then, hasta luego, estudiantes. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. If you would like to see more of our Spanish educational content, please feel free to check here, or subscribe below here. Gracias and hasta luego.